Grind, baby. Do, 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 do. Am I on? Obviously, it not always works straight away. Okay, I was checking stuff earlier. Live streaming, good. Discord. I wish I could like add the Discord channel straight always. That would do it by what? What's this? Oh, this is just pinned message. I'm still learning this thing. I obviously, like for example, I don't know how to change this logo here. So I changed my logo for the channel. Oh, and it seems like this link seems to change. Discord. Yeah, it's like my Discord channel link seems to be changing all the time. But it's you can set one forever. Oh, okay, so it's like a 7 days expiry date on the link. I'll just adjust this everywhere. I think it's time to give us some good poll. Yeah, let's just do all the bookkeeping basically. Let's update. Let's send everything. Let's just make sure that everyone knows. Let's put the post in YouTube. Can I? How do I do the post on the YouTube? Probably not through here. Yeah. So that's how it is. Then on YouTube, I can just drop a post. Create post. Join live. Okay, I can insert. Good. Hi. Live again. Yeah, and free exclamation marks. Good. So, oh, we had a subscriber, which is nice. Good to see those subscriber people. I think they're very lovely. I'm basically waiting for a bus to come to Warsaw, but it's still a long way off. So because I have a map locator of the bus that I'm waiting for. Oh, someone subscribed again. Nice. I keep on getting those great subscribers. So it's like 17. Thank you. Thanks for subscribing, my friend. Good to see you. I'm just doing some housekeeping and be back with you. Be back talking, obviously. You know, I'm obviously here to entertain you. I'm here to, you know, if it gives me more views, I will obviously start dancing here or singing. Although I don't think like this, any of those actions would give me some more viewers. I think it's very likely that most of the people would go if they've seen me singing, hear me singing, or if they've seen me dancing. There is a big chance that they would just fuck. Oh, I mean, not fuck. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't swear. Especially, I heard that first hour is when you shouldn't swear. So I didn't swear. I started saying a swear word, but I didn't finish it. Just wear glasses, so I look cooler. Obviously, this brings people into the live stream. I have 2 pairs of similar glasses. Both of them like are slightly different. One pair is like a mirror glasses here. One is less mirrory, I think. Yeah, I think they're a bit different. Yeah, these ones are like a bit more green, and it's nicer actually for the screen, so I should be wearing those instead. Yeah, welcome guys. Oh yeah, I forgot about the poll. I'm supposed to send ask the poll questions, you know. So for example, let's say, why do you want to learn programming? Oh, that's a good question actually. Why didn't I think of it earlier? Start a poll. Why do you want to learn programming? Career job. because that's actually important. Like, because, for example, like if you are building your own projects, knowing like a programming theory is not always as important as where you actually think of career, because then, you know, if you want to get to some job, especially to big corporations, they might ask you for technical stuff. And yeah, it's funny. Like I actually, like, for example, I know programming and I'm not that good with automation, automating my own tasks. I think that's some that's a useful skill, but I never think too much about like, oh, I should write myself this app, you know, this app will, you know, get me my gym schedule better or something like that, or like, you know, it will track my cycling. So I never think of it that way. And maybe I should. That might be actually good. I always envy people who have those like ideas for small personal improvements and they actually implement them. I don't know, for some reason I never actually can, like, I can think of bigger projects, but like when it's something small utility for myself, I don't do that often. So maybe that would be actually even better, I think, like if I could do that. Let's see if, because I've tried to fix my image upload. Let's see if I managed to fix it. Basically it works like on polling, so it's actually, oh, I can see that it's a course error, so it's not gonna work. Yeah, okay, so that doesn't work. What else should I do there? I have my headers. Oh, because I have headers here and here. Where bad. Obviously, this is not how you should be doing this. And so I have headers here and here. Makes no sense, basically. So I've got headers here. So let's just. So now I remove one of those. Like this code. Okay, I don't really know where I am. Okay, because that's working tree. Okay, yeah, that makes sense why it's broken. Why it doesn't help me actually. It's becoming quite annoying. So I just want to have this part and headers. Yes, so that's up to here. Where is it? Maybe that's too many. No. It's like now I want my AI agent to help me and it doesn't want to. Is this the one? No? Where are we? Okay, so this one, this is not necessary, is it? Yeah, okay, two less. Okay. I can't really get it to format it for some reason. Like my formatters doesn't seem to apply. Okay, let's just check if I have something here. Formatter, like JSON. Prettify JSON. Let's try this one. Trust. So format. Oh no, format. Not the doormat. Format. Come on, ESLint. Come on, format this. I don't know. Like I recently I think I have some horrible like a bad setup with my formatters. That's something that I seem to discover recently. Yeah, welcome guys. Good to see you. Somebody subscribed, which I appreciate. And for some reason, so basically here we have this, and so it's hosting and headers. Like, is this within hosting or is this outside supposed to be? Let's see documentation for, no, not Cloudinary. Firebase course configuration again. Yeah, I've been trying it earlier and like couldn't figure it out, so let's try to figure it out now. I was trying to do it quickly, so that's always. So we've got hosting, Hosting, ignore, blah, 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 course. Let's go to course. So we've got headers. Okay, and headers again. So no, it was actually correct earlier. See, I actually, I had it right before. So we open, okay, so it seems like that. I don't like the, why don't you format it for me? Come on, don't be annoying. Yeah, like, oh, so look, it's fixing it or not? Maybe it should be like that. So here now, yeah, I don't get that, to be honest. So here we are closing this hosting, and here, yeah, maybe now. And what do I do with this course thing? Like, okay, so is this supposed to be on the project somewhere? Okay, Firebase hosting configuration options. But like, okay, it seems like I would have to deploy it to Firebase for it to work. Because this Firebase JSON, it probably needs to be, let's ask my AI agent, obviously it's going to be smarter than me. If I want this Firebase JSON to work, do I have it deployed to Firebase, or is it just for some services like image resize, or like, it seems like I might need to deploy it, but because that actually might be a good idea, because I absolutely hate Vercel, to be honest, and I promised myself that I will actually migrate from it. Okay, let's see what Firebase JSON is. Your local Firebase project configuration file. It tells your Firebase CLI and emulators that what to do with which functions. Okay, that's fine, makes sense. It does not run by itself. Okay, it's just config. Firebase services, hosting, functions, storage rules, etc. Actually works in the cloud when you deploy from them. Okay, let's just deploy that up to the Firebase cloud. I think I will like that. How do I like set up Firebase cloud? Okay, for MERN project with course. Let's do that. Yeah, creating MERN app on Firebase. Authentication uses Firebase authentications, part 1. My favorite stack to use is MERN. Good. I'm not the only one here. For those of you who aren't sure what acronym, MongoDB, Express, React, no, that's good. So yeah, I've got my app. That's good. I don't need to do this. Oh, what's that? Firebase product ID. Oh, so I need this kind of config. Do I? Start by implementing all our dependencies, get server set up. Some middleware here. So it's some MongoDB function. This seems Firebase client cert, Firebase auth cert. I don't know. This looks like a Firebase admin. What am I implementing here? I'm not really clear about that. Great article. Yes. Stop shipping massive PRs. That's a good idea. That's a good advice. MongoDB, React, Bootstrap, new application, paired with Firebase, relative simple delivery. Okay, creating an Express server, also MongoDB database connected and using Firebase admin SDK. Setting up client-side React app. I know that, obviously. For authentication, check out parts 2. That would, maybe I should actually implement also but that's maybe later. Public repo. If you just want to take a look Code can drive more from that. Check out the public repo I created. Okay. But that's just client. Is there like a Firebase setup? No. Source, maybe here? No. What's MJS actually? I've never actually used. So it's Mongo JavaScript or something? I don't know. No, it doesn't make sense to be Mongo JavaScript. It's Mern JavaScript. Maybe. I don't know. It's just the YouTube actually. I'm gonna deploy Mern to Firebase. Yeah, that's what I want. Free hosting, free web hosting. Yeah, that's what Firebase gives actually if you don't really spend too much. And it's actually good in my situation because I don't want to spend too much on servers. I don't want them on Vercel because it kind of wakes up too long. So yeah, let's just try deploying your website. It's only 5 minutes, maybe.
In
Let's
this
try
video,
that.
we will deploy your website frontend to Google.
Currently, I have it on
in less than
Vercel,
5
and I
minutes.
actually don't like it. Okay, what's
by
here?
Google. Firebase
No, let's just wear some headphones.
frontend to Google Firebase for free in less than 5 minutes. Firebase is a mobile and web application development platform owned by Google.
Sounds very Eastern European. Hayek. Check, yeah. Probably.
Firebase hosting offers a free tier that includes 10 gigabytes of hosting storage, 360 megabytes of
data transfer per day. Oh, that's good. That's for free.
data transfer per day.
I wonder what's the
to 100 hosting sites per project. It is typically sufficient for small and medium-sized websites and projects. I will use a simple HTML, CSS and JavaScript frontend app, but you can also use React, Angular, Vue or any other framework.
Oh, but this is only just website to Firebase. Like I think deploying API to Firebase functions. Deploying a React website free. I used to do that anyway. Deploy Mern stack app. Are we deploying it to Firebase or what? Before you set, okay. Goodbye npm. npmx will replace npm. No, it's not. Come on. Ban used to be the one who's supposed to replace npm then, and I can see that there's npmx. Okay, another replacement to npm, and npm seems to be working still. How to deploy your website to Firebase? No, I don't want just website. Node Express app with Firebase functions in 5 minutes. But this is 13 minutes, 45 seconds. Yeah, okay, let's try that one. There's no audio here, is it? Okay.
Account. It's basically part of Google. Go to console, firebasegoogle.com, follow the instructions.
Oh, the project. Okay, I have a project already, so I don't need to get that. But the thing is, like, he's gonna show me how to do it with Firebase CLI, I'm sure. So, like, it's just like Firebase push or something. And it's very manual. Okay, no. Let's try again. How do I... Let's try my AI agent. How do I deploy it to Firebase? Let's deploy this project to Firebase. Yeah, I've done it through the CLI some time ago, like a while ago, but only for front end. And like I'm kind of wondering if I have to have backend running as well. And yeah, let's see what this Raptor thing will say. Maybe I just need to. Maybe it will give. Maybe it will figure. I don't want Heroku. No Heroku. Like if he gonna tell me to deploy it to Heroku, I'll absolutely hate it. Okay, install Firebase CLI, Firebase login, public. Okay, Firebase JSON currently configured safe from front end build, Firebase install build, deploy. Okay, let's just do that. No, that's fine. I think it will work. npm install. Yeah, okay, let's just do that. I just want to see if it will deploy it, because then my Firebase functions should be working on this thing, because I have a Firebase function for resizing, and I know someone was writing to me to use some other service, and I was stubbornly trying to refuse that, and I'm very stubborn actually in terms of the tools that I know. You know, if I know something, I will try to use it no matter what. And I'm like, it takes me a while to actually change to different, maybe not always, like some of the stuff, like for example with render, I got convinced quite quickly to use it, and now I want to migrate out of it, so maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should have just like used do it hard way and just try to implement it on my good old server that I have. Oh, I also have my VPS server. Maybe I should do it there. I don't know. It's just like so many options, like too many options. Like the Firebase is free until the point, and the other one, for the other one I'm actually paying. So yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's just get it working on Firebase with what it says to me. So I think I should see like a page to log in. For some reason I don't. Come on, guys. Well, why do you want to learn programming? Is this for career or job? Building your own products, automation / productivity? Just curious. Just curiosity. What's your goal to? Why are you already logged in? Good. Okay, so I just can. Your Firebase is currently configured to serve from public. What's this N? No, this is not where my website is it? Make. Yeah, but you make your build output for two. For two, we our front-end app, the front-end folder, backend is running in the main folder with its main app. Yeah, I know. Okay, let's just try that. So like, yeah, it just tells me too that this stuff will be running N, which I don't even know what this folder is for. Why the hell do I have N folder? It's just like there's this page, something for Firebase. Boy, it's confusing. Yeah, this is like some static page for something. Let's see if I can just open it in the browser. Yeah, open hosting documentation. So it's Firebase hosting setup completed. Okay, that's just nothing. Can I just delete this then? Let's see what it says now. What you deploy to Firebase, given your repo structure. Front end here, back end. Yeah. Firebase hosting can only serve static files. Oh, okay. Unless you convert the backend into cloud functions, cloud run. Oh shit, that's a nice complication. So for normal Firebase deploy, you typically deploy front-end Firebase hosting. Okay, I didn't know that actually. Cannot directly deploy the front-end recommended, easiest. Okay, so we can deploy the front-end. That's fine. Let's do that for now. I think I can do that. Yeah, that's actually. This is in the Firebase JSON, yes? So where's my front-end? Public here. We can change that to deploy front-end, although it's just front-end, yeah. Deploy repo Firebase use add Okay, let's try this. No, no. Pattern market, this one. Staging, I don't know. It's not staging. You must provide valid value. Yeah, let's have dev. Okay, Firebase deploy only hosting. And then what do I do with backend? So we have our front end. Okay, what about backend? Express server. Option 1, option A, fastest. Keep backend somewhere else. Oh no, I don't want to keep it somewhere else. I want it to be in one place. Keep running the backend, because like, what's the point of actually having a backend in you know, DigitalOcean, and then front end in Firebase, and then like image service would be somewhere in Fireplace. What a bad solution. Okay, I might not really like that solution now. The fastest. I don't want the fast. Advanced. Move backend into Firebase. Okay. If you want to full man up on Firebase, you need to convert your backend into either Cloud Functions, Express wrapped in Firebase Functions, Cloud Run. Deploy the existing node server as a container in runtime. That requires adding functions folder, Firebase Functions setup, and updating Firebase JSON. Rewrites to route API requests to the function run service. Don't know, actually. This is the bottom line. Yes, you can deploy the front end Firebase hosting easily. No, you can deploy backend. We have to choose now whether Cloud Functions, Cloud Run. Let's ask Firebase. Here they have AI. I have deployed my static React app to Firebase, but my backend is in Node. How static React app I deploy it so it works with my front end. No one is voting. Yeah, that's fine. Like the live streams today seem to be slow, so I don't know. Maybe I get boring, but maybe it's just like random. This stuff can be random. So we are hosting. Okay. To deploy your Node.js backend to work seamlessly with your static React frontend Firebase, you generally integrate your backend with Firebase hosting by using Cloud Functions for Firebase. That's fine. Okay. This allows Firebase hosting to serve your static React app while also directing the dynamic requests to your Node.js backend, which will be hosted in Cloud Functions. Here's the high-level overview of how you can achieve this. First, ensure you have Firebase CLI version 12. Later installed. I think I do have that. Path to your backend directory. Next, you'll need to adjust your Firebase configuration in your Firebase JSON file. Okay. Your Firebase project will also need billing enabled if you plan to use server-side rendering. No, I just have client-side rendering, that's fine. Next, you'll need to adjust your Firebase configuration. In your Firebase JSON file, you should change your hosting configuration to use source. Maybe I should do Cloudinary. Okay, maybe like no, I don't know. You know, I don't know what to do with this now. hosting. You will also need to configure a packet JSON with your. How much is DigitalOcean? I don't want another server for $25, to be honest. Okay, so this is per tokens, per whatever. App platform, droplets, starting at or per. It's actually something that it's really hard to judge with DigitalOcean. Probably mine wouldn't be too expensive, but I don't want to be exploring another server unless I make a decision. Like it's like a mental decision as well. Like okay, I know Firebase. I have some servers that I'm already paying for. I have this thing in Vercel. Okay, now so let's just try. Actually, I have it deployed on Verse. Maybe I will keep. It sounds like too much work for now. I will have to think of it. Although I to make my image upload working from with Firebase actions. I do it now. Actions, and I'm getting, and I'm in course errors when try to upload image. Yeah, okay, let's try that. Maybe that's probably not the thing is like I have to I have to think how I will deploy that. Sounds like you are encountered cross-origin resource sharing, obviously error because your front end on Vercel is trying to action your Firebase, blah blah blah. Create course configuration. Where's the course config actually? File. You will need a JSON file that defines allowed origins, HTTP methods, and headers for cloud storage bucket. Where do I do that? I'm sure I used to do that like some time ago. I'm sure I did that before. And now I just don't know. Okay, apply gcloud auth login. Oh, okay. Do I do that? Apply the course configuration. Oh, okay, so I just do it in the project or what? But I don't have this project there. Course config. So I can't do it in the bucket, like somewhere. Create course configuration file. You need JSON file that defines allowed origins, HTTP methods, cloud storage. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Your Vercel app, okay. Yeah, that's fine. But like, where does this file going to? Origin, okay, method. Shit, where's this Vercel file? Sorry, this Firebase course config going? I don't really get that. Auth login, get your project pattern market, blah blah blah. Course set, course JSON, pattern market. Do I do it here in this project? Let's see. Okay, maybe it's here. New file. Course config JSON. Yeah. I'll try this way and then no. Is it here? Yes, that sounds like good. Then we take that. And it's a pattern market, yes. Pattern market Vercel. This array or what? Yeah, this is an array. Good. Let's just add localhost wherever. What's my localhost? Localhost 3000. Yes. Maybe. Will it work? Let's see. Max age seconds. It's it's an hour, is it? 360,000 seconds. 60 times, yeah, 60 times 60. And okay, you're saying that header should be different, wasn't it? Versal app. If you have multiple domains, custom domain, Versal app domain, you can add a multiple entries. That's fine. You can also, nah, let's just do, I don't want to do star. Yeah, let's try this actually. So now it says that I can just go and use this gcloud. Will it work? Any gclouds experts here? Guys, vote in the poll. So are you? Oh yeah, there is one vote. Finally, someone does it for career. Someone is doing programming for career. Good, congratulations. Oh, subscriber. Thank you for subscribing as well. What a lovely person. Okay, so we get that. Your browser has been okay. So it needs me to authenticate something. So it's obviously my account. Blah blah blah. I say allow. Good. Okay, so I'm logged in. Yeah, it's going easier than I thought. Like, okay, then it was going earlier. So now, where's this Firebase thing? Here. So gcloud, let's try now this lovely line. Where's my, here. Oops, property, okay, did it? Updated property, okay, yeah, that's fine, that's good. I'm progressing, yes, I thought I would be just like struggling all day. Yeah, okay. Seems like it will upload this file there, yes? I haven't been using Firebase for a while, and I just wanted to make it work, and I don't know, just couldn't. Hi guys, good to see you. I think like Google just started, like YouTube started promoting my channel for a moment. So I got like an influx of people now. Thanks for joining. Make sure to subscribe, join the Discord channel, because that's obviously... Good morning, it's afternoon here, man. Where are you? Said? It's afternoon, it's 17 past 12. I thought you are actually, I thought you are somewhere in Eastern Asia. Or maybe it's your morning. Okay, maybe I'm actually incorrect. Yeah, good morning if it's morning at your time zone. On my time zone, it's an afternoon. We just started it. So yeah, welcome guys, good to see you. Make sure to subscribe and join the Discord as I keep on repeating everyone. As I was just saying, Google just picked up, realized that I'm live streaming, so it started sending me people. Yeah, okay, I forgot you are still, yeah. Still in bed. Okay, this isn't really, this is not the best way to actually wake up, to be honest. When you wake up, you take your phone, and I do that all the time, so I shouldn't be maybe judging you for that. I grab my phone and start watching something in the bed. That's probably not the best. Like this is like all the doctors, all the you know, the health gurus, they're saying that this is a wrong way to do it. So maybe you shouldn't do that. But then don't drop. Yeah, stay here. Stay with me. Don't go. Yeah, but obviously I forgot you are in New York. Okay, like is there like another script I have to run, or is that it? Is this like all that I have had to do? Okay, so or 404 bucket does not exist. Oh, because I have to create a bucket for this, yes? So I was actually almost celebrating. Apply course. Okay, so do I have to create this bucket? Where? After those steps, your Versal frontend should be able to... Yeah, let's just give it my... Yeah, I tried it and got this error. It's usually good when you give them errors. Happy coding session. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice morning, my friend. Good to see you again. And okay, so configure your Firebase project ID. You previously started your project. This is good. Verify gcloud project before running value. Okay, gcloud config. Let's see this. Okay, pattern market. So 48BB1. Yeah. gcloud config says project pattern market. If it doesn't show, this is what it shows. Find the exact storage bucket name on your Firebase. Oh, maybe do you have any? Is this or is that the one? Do you have a storage bucket here? Maybe I need to create a storage bucket. No, it seems to be out here. Copy folder. Oh, no, not here, not here. Retry. Okay, set. Yeah, let's try this actually. We had this command called set. Oh, okay, sorry, just a second. Hello?
Cześć kochany. 14:20 będzie paczka na zerowym autobusowym zachodnim. Coś
Dobra.
zerowa platforma, jakoś tak.
Jasne, zerowe auto. Okej, to będę szukał. Dobra, ja za jakieś 20 minut wyjdę w takim razie.
Dobrze, a my wyjeżdżamy teraz z technikami, tylko muszę je zgarnąć do Saudi.
Jasne.
Coś czuję, że będzie mi trudno je zgarnąć.
Dacie radę.
Dam radę, wiem. Dam radę. Dawaj, kocham cię.
Kocham cię. Pa. Yeah, okay. I need to sleep. I have 20 minutes. Okay, so. Okay, so I need to retry the G Suite. This is actually GS, but this is the same, yeah? Set course config, blah, blah, blah. Oh! Okay, yeah. I think it worked now. For example, yeah. I think that's it, yeah. Yeah, because before we had not found. What was the difference here? Pattern market, apps.com. Oh, Firebase storage. Okay, yeah, obviously this is different. It's not the same. It's not gonna know if it's. Oh, let's see. Okay, now I wonder if it's gonna work now. So I updated the Firebase thing. And oh, not here. If I make it work, I'll be happy. Like I will celebrate now, and I will just say enough for today. Enough hard work for today. I've been watching news about AI. That's a hard work, obviously, for me. And then like earlier, and then on this. Oh, why this now? We'll have to figure this out. Create your profile. Why? Okay, I thought I was actually logged in. Why are you? We have a basket here. There's something broken here. I can see. So this is my account here. Yes. It says now. Why is it now? Why are you now? Happy coding session. Okay, thank you. How are you guys? I can see that we've got 5 votes. Most of the people are learning programming, obviously, for career and job. We all want to have a good job. Why wouldn't you want good job? Yeah, that's a question. But yeah, obviously I agree. It gives you good opportunities. And even like, let's say that we are in bad times where there's AI will replace all the people. I obviously don't think that way. I think it will just create more jobs, as recently, this morning, I was watching this speech from some sort of NVIDIA event, and NVIDIA CEO was talking that it's a tool. It's supposed to create more jobs, and that's probably how I see it myself. So, but then knowing this technology, then knowing this, knowing more about technology can only give you more options, not less. And even if there is a temporary sort of hiring freeze on juniors, and like I think like more and more companies seem to be realizing again that actually juniors are good, actually we need juniors because someone needs to control this stupid AI machine, and it's very powerful machine. Obviously this stupid AI machine is very powerful, but we still need someone to actually watch this thing, how it does the thing. Okay, what's wrong with my profile? Why am I not profile me? There's no profile for this user, but it seems to be logged in. Maybe I just messed up something with the database. Log out. Do I have any other users? Can I just, let's register one. Maciej D. Yeah, let's use this one. Yeah. Okay, I'm registered. Yeah. Let's try Maciej D. gmail.com. And this is my password. You can steal it. Come on. Hack it. Okay, and it says login again. It seems like it doesn't. Did we just mess up something about login? Shit. The thing is, like, it was many years ago when I wrote this authentication. I would have to. I don't really remember how it's done exactly. I can obviously check because it's based on some tutorials that I've went through. Okay, now it doesn't really log in at all. What's in my database here? Okay, let's just see. Let's just see this. Okay, so we've got, okay, it says 200. It sends it there. It gives me a token. Okay, I've got the token. And then I'm getting server errors. Yeah, let's just, obviously, who can help it better than my AI? Okay, and now I have this problem with login. Can you check I log in with the correct and my backend? Yeah, on this endpoint. Okay, on this endpoint. I get my token. Then right after that, yeah, there is another. Because it's the same call, yeah? But we didn't have that problem earlier. Oh, that's post. Okay, then. Sending this request. That responds with error. Yeah, okay, I don't know. As I'm saying, I wrote it way long time ago. That's why actually now I'm happy to have a. Maybe I shouldn't be so happy to have AI to fix it, because the thing is, like, maybe I should actually know how my backend is using authenticating my user. That's probably a knowledge I should have much more than my AI agent. Yeah, let's see my registration. Register module. Okay, what's in the backend? So we've got front end. So it's probably user.js backend models. Yeah, so we've got our user here, but obviously this is just a model. So model is just like the shape of data, and we've got our admin here probably that does something. Settings, starts. Okay, user. Auth. Oh, obviously it has to be auth. So we go for this endpoint. Please include valid email. Password is required. Blah blah blah. So we are checking all of that lovely stuff. We've got this controller, which is called auth controller. Obviously, how else could I call it? You know, go to auth controller. Let's see what it does. The thing is, like, this is quite standard for what am I talking even about? For Express, yeah, Express. This is an Express app, or you know, Node.js. Hello, Danani. Ash, is this first time I see you? The Hanani. I hope I'm saying it right. Someone is sending me lots of love, which I enjoy. Obviously, thank you. So yeah, I think is this first time I see you, Danani? Oh, okay, no. So you've been here. What's your channel activity? Let me just check. Oh, let me investigate you. I think funnel URL will be the redirect URL. Okay, you were helping me with some stuff. Okay, could you rate it? You had actually some of your app, yes, Danani? Which hosting platform you are using? Blah blah blah. Okay, yeah, good to see you again. Thank you. Thanks for coming back. How is your day? How is your project? I think you've been working on something, didn't you? You had your project. Maybe did you send it to me even like back then? I don't remember. Okay, what should we do next? Oh, let's see my AI agent. Shouldn't work in agent mode actually here, maybe. Did it do anything with auth? User ID keeps okay, so it changed something. Is it a good change or not? Updated, okay, fix root cause. But why did we have this root cause? It used to work all the time. Yes, I am. I was trying to send you, but there was some problem sending URL. Yeah, you will not be able to send URL through the YouTube chat, unfortunately. If you want to do it, I think the best place to do it is by my Discord. If you are using Discord, this is it. Like, there's a link in my chat, and this is probably the best place to do it. Unless you're gonna like cryptically send it through the chat, but it's going like URLs get stripped through this app, you know. So like YouTube will strip out your URL. So just send it here. I will open it. I will play with it. Unfortunately, I have like another 10 minutes. I can stay, because then I have to go to Warsaw to a bus station there to pick up something. Unless it's fine to do it later in the evening, obviously, because I might be back later. I mean, the thing is, like, it's so annoying, because I was like, for half of my live stream there was like 2 people maybe, and now like it's jumped like quite significantly, the amount of people. So I'd like to stay actually longer. Obviously, that's the best. And it seems like I really enjoy actually looking at your apps, guys. You know, I think like when you are building something and sending me the links to play with, I kind of feel special almost. You know, my project is called MIKK. You can search MIKMCP. MIKK-MCP, yeah? Mix, okay, so that's, okay, it seems like it's you. Do we have any deployment? Do we have any link here? What's this? Algorithm processes your entire code base and generates mic.log.json, single compact JSON snapshot containing every function signature, every dependency edge. So are you trying to replace npm, dude? Are you gonna be, this is nasty, my friend. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, that's the problem. You copy 4,000 lines of source code into Claude. It generates a component that imports from URL auth. The path that doesn't exist. Your boundary checker lives in source core construct, not where LLM guessed. There's a lot of stuff I don't understand. I mean, okay, whatever. You spend 20 minutes fixing import paths, broken calls. I don't know if I had that problem. Okay. LLMs write great code. I would question that, you know, it writes a lot of code. It's not always great. I think it's very bad in architecture, but let's agree that it can write some good code. LLM. For code base you've never seen. For code bases you've never seen. They don't know your module bundler boundaries. They can't trace your dependency graph. You have no idea. Yeah, this is because they're very shitty at context. Your LLM can handle a couple of files. It can remember maybe few hundred lines of code, or maybe few thousand lines of code, and everything beyond that, it just gets lost. Login TS breaks 14 downstream functions across 3 packages. They get a flat placed on file, hallucinate the rest. It gives you all the AI architecture it's missing. Your AI doesn't understand your code base, obviously, and it will never, like, I don't think it's gonna be soon that we do start to understand it. So make the code base nervous system. Maybe I might be like a dumb guy, you know, but I don't really get that, to be honest. So what is this Mick is doing? Okay, Mick algorithm parses your entire code base and generates Mick's log. Okay, a single component JSON snapshot containing every function signature. Oh, okay, every dependency edge, every call graph. Okay, I don't know what call graphs are, or whatever. Every module assignment and every Merkle hash. Don't know what's Merkle hash. Sounds like a Meghan Markle. Is it about Meghan Markle? See, like I'm learning. In cryptology, computer science, a hash tree or Merkle tree. Oh, okay, hash tree. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Okay, I'm smarter now. Instead of your AI crawling through 16 scattered files, treats one file. Okay, that sounds actually a good idea. Yeah, okay. Sounds like something useful. So it actually like combine, like it goes through your project, picks up the what are your functions, what's your dependency edge. I don't know what dependency edge could mean actually. Every call graph. Okay, I can understand. Okay, more or less I can understand. So it's actually creating like a snapshot of your methods functions. Yes. Yeah. Okay. The link is at the top. Where's the top? Where's the link? At the top. Oh, here. Mix, stop context drift. No blast radius before. I like your messaging, to be honest. Yeah, I think you're pretty good actually with, you know, like I obviously don't know all the lingo, but obviously like can't get started. Okay. Mix gives you AI real code base. I think I'm kind of tempted to try it on my next project. Okay, everything happens in 3 seconds when you run Mick init. Every TS, TSX, JS, JSX go. File parses through TypeScript compiler API. Real AST, no regex. Functions, classes, imports, exact ranges. Graph, full dependency. The thing with those graphs, I worked with them in NX. And you look at them first and then you stop looking at them after a while. You just get bored. Like, and then when they actually get too complex. But yeah, like this is me basically. It doesn't mean that other people will not use them. And maybe like I was like when I was looking at the NX graphs, I was thinking like, oh, this is useful. I should come back to it next time. I should check it more often because then you see that there are some bad ideas. Cluster files grounded into logical modules via greedy algorithm, agglomeration, import patterns, naming conversions, direct instructions. There's a couple of things I don't really know what they are, so tree at every level. Okay, so this is just type of tree you get. Okay, functions files, module. Okay, function. So it's actually point to for module root. Okay, one hash, tree direction, JSON written. Oh, okay. So should like, so this is for like any this is a helper tool. Yeah, for a yeah. Okay, I get that, and I think it sounds actually very good. To be honest, I'm kind of tempted to install it now, but I have to go unfortunately quite soon, and I would like to give it a bit more. Oh, and you've got your CLI even, you know, core. Dude, like you've built a machine. Is this you really? I've got like really smart people here on live stream. Do you want to like come on the next live stream, like I don't know, today, tomorrow, wherever, and like show it to people? So like, because I might actually be misunderstanding some of the stuff or just like explaining them badly. I think I know what, like I actually have now a mental model what your thing is doing, this mic is doing. Do you want to talk about it on next live stream or something? Or like, you know, we'll try to arrange something soon. So you could just like show exactly like run us through it, show how you use it. I think that would be useful. And good. Oh, good. Okay, so are you on Discord? Or just let me know when you are free. I will send you like Google link somehow. Is there like your contact details or something? There's a GitHub. I can contact you on GitHub, I guess. I can follow you on GitHub, obviously. Can I? I forgot how to follow people. Yeah, I'll give you a star, my friend. How do I follow people? Jesus, I'm so sad. I can't follow you. Can I? I'm trying to market it so bad, but no reach. Yeah, this is hardest stuff like this. But like the thing is, like sometimes it can catch quickly. But yeah, that's why the best. Like I might be wrong, but I think one of the best ways to do it is actually here on YouTube when you are showing it and people can watch how it's actually being done. I think this is pretty good actually tool. I don't know how to follow you, my friend, unfortunately. Yeah, so join my Discord and just contact me directly, okay? We will arrange something. Unfortunately, I have to go in like I probably should be going now. Let me just check my trains because I will be taking a train from nearby city. So maybe I will have a few more minutes. But yeah, like I feel like it's, in my opinion, like it sounds like a great tool. It sounds like a great tool. If you explain it to me better yourself, I think you will do much better work. I think like you will be great. This sounds like a great solution for some problems. I think it should actually. I'm surprised why some of those companies didn't really think of it themselves. Like, you know, I would expect like whoever is building, like, you know, Microsoft or something, to try to do those kind of things on your projects. Water. Yeah, I have half an hour to get to the station. Okay, so I will have another 5 minutes. but yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's great. I think like you have a good stuff. Yeah, you have a good idea, and yeah, I'm actually so I'm actually surprised that there's no, like, at least I didn't hear about tools that would do that kind of inventory of your project, because like, you know, your crawler, your agent is going through like your entire app all the time when you ask it to do something, and it's kind of it's like every time it has to do it again. Yes, like, so okay, I have problems with my authentication, something that I just had now. So it has to crawl your app and like go through it, and like it should have like that kind of file. So it's actually doing inventory at start, and then like it kind of checks there straight away. Oh yeah, I have a login function here. I'll just go to the login function. Boom, it's quicker. Like I like how it amazes me that, you know, that it's not actually that kind of tool is not implemented somewhere already. Yeah, but yeah, let me know. We will actually arrange something. Like I think I'm impressed so far, at least from what I read here. I think like you will probably do a better job than me in showing this this lovely thing. Looks like something very useful. But you know, so yeah, bravo. Yeah, great job. And yeah, let's just keep it for later. This is something I just come and go all the time. But today, like last week, is just crazy for me, and I keep on just like, you know, I log in, I start live stream, people come in, and then I have to go. So that's how it looks. But yeah, thank you guys for coming. Thanks for another subscriber. I really appreciate that. Someone just subscribed now. Yeah, join the Discord channel if you want to talk to me, if you want to join like a project. Not here, Discord. If you want to join the project together, I don't know, I would try to, I'm trying to connect, like get a list of people and like what are their interests here this month. So throughout the March I will be doing this survey, maybe longer. And there's a link here asking like, okay, if you're interested in working together or on some project, like what are your skills, what's your, you know, what are you interested in, what, you know, how much time you want to devote, and you can just let me know. And if we manage to find, like, I have some ideas that we can work on, or you can come out with one as well. Oh, thank you for subscribing again. Someone just did that now. So I've got my number now is 1222, which is a nice number to have. So thank you guys for coming, and yeah, see you later. Thank you, and thanks, Danani. It's yeah, I think like you have built something that hopefully will make you famous, because it sounds like a good tool. Oh, again, someone subscribed now. Thank you again. Like crazy. Like I was thinking I'm going. Okay, see you guys. Thank you. Bye.